Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First we boil the chicken. We will boil the chicken a little. And then we will put the handi on the stove. And these are all the spices that we will put in the biryani. Now we will add ghee to it. And then we have to wait for the ghee to heat up. And then after it's heated, we have to put onions in it. Have to save half the onions. Along with this, chicken is also to be seen. So now, we cut vegetables. Along with this, we also have to see the onions. We have to grind the garlic. And here we have to grind the green chilies. Now we will add spices to it. Now we will add garlic and ginger to it. Pour some water. From the remaining onion, we will bring into it. Now we will cut tomatoes. Now we will pick up the rice and soak it in water. spices. Pouring water. Now we will put the boiled chicken in it. Pouring water. One teaspoon dhania. Now we will put potatoes in it. And then we'll cover it. Now we will put tomatoes in it. And add some water. Again, cover it. Now from this we will remove all the herbs of chicken. There's got to be some chicken in it. Let's stay. Tomato and green chili will be added. we will grind the zira. Put water in it. According to you will add water, according to rice. The cumin paste we'll put in it. Keep the water till it becomes boiled. We'll add rice after water boiled. Subscribe. After adding the rice, it has to be mixed. ZSfood. Here we will make food color. Put in water. To see the rice after the water has dried up. Now we will put the chicken in it, which we had taken out earlier. To cover the rice so that the water Now you have to stir them well. That you guys have to mix rice well. The food color that was made in it will be put in it so that the biryani gets a good color. After that, we have to cover the handi. Leave for 5 minutes. Now biryani is ready. MashaAllah. Very nice biryani made. Delicious, juicy biryani. Wow, wow, mashallah. All of you should also try this biryani. It is very good. You should also try it at home. You can have a good day with biryani, alone with salad, with raita. Dekne mai or khani mai but aki bani hain biryani mashallah. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and tell me how did you like it by commenting. To like and more, subscribe. Don't forget to